it's Mark from Saphrox Studios, and today I'm very pleased to announce that we have a brand new series on our YouTube channel. Designed as a practice tool, it's to get you knowing your scales inside and out. As with every single YouTube video, it is possible for you to change the speed of that video without altering the pitch. So we have taken advantage of that and designed what we call the Speed Control Scale series. There is an abundance of scale types, patterns in there, all in ascending and descending mode, each with a visual on how to play it, tablature, and the scale pattern. And in the scale pattern also holds the finger that you should be using for the desired note, whether it's ascending or descending. Each pattern is performed in quavers at 100 beats per minute, and using the speed control, you can change those speeds right down to 25 beats per minute and increase them all the way up to 200 beats per minute. There is absolutely no reason why you won't be able to find a speed that suits you. There'll be a load more videos going live in the coming months, so please subscribe and don't forget to check the notifications bell so you're one of the first to see them. Here's the playlist of all the scales available right now. If you have any comments, please leave them in the comment section below. It'd be great to hear from you. I've been Mark, Saphrox Studios. See you later.